Dear learners, I welcome you today's class. Today is MRD 101 last class. Okay. So,
Okay.
ma'am, Manju ma'am is there. So, no doubt due to this pandemic, you are connected through online. Maybe there is a difficulties. Now it's raining. I mean, maybe network problem is there. So, no issue. It's thankfully in Barampur there is no rain. So, I mean, don't worry. After finish the class, I will give the link. Okay. Suppose you will miss the some portion of the class, then you can go through with the link also. Okay. So I mean, it's a nice gesture to all of us to sitting in our home. You are joining the Google. So I mean, I thanks to Manju ma'am. Out of his busy other work, he's giving time to ignore students. So it's really a good thing. It's a good initiation. We have started our online class. So I think it will helpful to all of the students. So now I request to Manju ma'am. So we'll take over the class. Manju
Thank
ma'am,
you, sir.
please.
Please check, sir, whether the PPT is visible. Hello, sir. Is the PPT visible? Hello.
Ah, ma'am, continue, ma'am.
Yes, sir. The PPT টা visible ଅଛି? Hello.
No, no.
No.
It is not visible,
Go
ma'am.
ahead.
Okay, just checking. Is it visible now?
No.
Is it visible now?
Still not, madam.
Still not. Program करना. Is it visible now?
No, ma'am, no.
Only.
Now, ma'am, it's audible. Go ahead.
No, sir. PPT is visible, sir. PPT is not getting visible.
No.
No, ma'am, it's not visible.
That's why I'm trying. Is it visible?
No.
Hello. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am, it's
you.
visible.
Thank you. Let's start. The block 4 of rural development administration. It is about rural development administration. First, we will discuss about administrative structure. What is the administrative structure or administrative machinery? Administrative machinery means जोटा आमर शासन खसरा को वे रे आमर नेशनल लेवल रे स्टेट लेवल रे डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल रे विलेज लेवल रे शासन होउची ब्यूरोक्रेटिक स्ट्रक्चर केमती आ आमर विभिन्न प्रोग्राम्स प्रोजेक्ट्स केमिति चालुची historical overview. The present administrative system of India was inherited from the colonial rulers. colonial rulers माने Britishers माना होतो जो हमर administrative system रा start कला तापर जमींदारी सिस्टम तापर जोटा किंग रूल सिस्टम थिला राजा राजते सिस्टम थिला तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम वर्तमान जोटा चालि छै सेटा स्टार्ट हैला हमर ब्रिटिशर्स माना को टाइम The Grow More Food Inquiry Committee in 1952 stressed the need for an integrated organizational structure for rural development. 1952 टाइम रे जो टाइम रे देखा गला जे फूड क्राइसिस आरंभ होला जे ग्रो मोर फूड अधिक फूड लोकन को पई दरकार हैला से इंक्वायरी कमिटी बसला से तबले ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर रूरल डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर सेटअप पई प्लान करा हैला It also laid down the blueprint for the setup at the various levels like national level, state level, district level, block and village level. This blueprint was given say with the launching of the Community Development Program in 1952. आमे आगरू डिस्कशन करथिले Community Development Program सबुठु समस्ताठु सबु प्रोग्राम रो मूल द्वार पकाइला 1952 रे. It was followed by National Extension Services 1953 which covered the whole country. The blueprint was given say with the launching of Community Development Program CTP Huda short-form in 1952. It was created as the basic unit of planning and integrated rural development comprising agriculture, animal husbandry, village industry, education, health, social welfare, etc. with special emphasis on self-help and public participation. Total rural areas केमती डेवलपमेंट होगा कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम रे सेटा completely planned out हैला the basic unit of planning and integrated rural development माने पूरा rural development रो complete unit जो थरे एग्रीकल्चर एनिमल हस्बेंड्री हमें पशुपालन विलेज इंडस्ट्री क्षेत्र शिल्प कुटीर शिल्प एजुकेशन हेल्थ सोशल वेलफेयर सब कुछ इंक्लूडेड हैला. Gradually it includes strategies of administrative structure varying with areas. तापरे कोन होला 1952 परे जेतले देखा होला जे जो एरिया गुडा को मरुडी ग्रस्त सेई गुडा को अन्य नॉर्मल रेन फेड एरिया टू अलगा तार रिक्वायरमेंट तो ताको धरि की प्लान करा गला जो गुडा को डिजर्टेड लैंड जो गुडा को वेस्टलैंड ता पई अलगा डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम. So gradually it includes strategies of administrative structure varying with specific areas. Then how the administrative setup goes on at national level. The Ministry of Rural Reconstruction was constructed in 1979. 79 के first day आरंभ हुआ the Ministry of Rural Reconstruction. In April 1999 it is called as the Ministry of Rural Development. April 1999 रो परथो एटा कोहला the Ministry of Rural Development हमरो जोटा ग्रामीण विकास मंत्रालय कोहला. The ministry is divided into divisions on functional basis. काम अनुसार फंक्शन अनुसार विभिन्न डिवीजन डिवाइडेड हैला जेंति कि डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट फर्स्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एंड पंचायत राज डिवीजन पॉवर्टी एलिवेशन डिवीजन स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम स्वरोजगार योजना डिवीजन रूरल कनेक्टिविटी डिवीजन. रूरल कनेक्टिविटी माने गांव को गांव कनेक्शन जोटा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कम्युनिकेशन थ्रू रे कनेक्ट करिवा स्ट्रेटजीज फॉलो करा. लैंड रिसोर्सेज डिवीजन मॉनिटरिंग डिवीजन फाइनेंस डिवीजन. डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर सप्लाई वाला सेकंड इंपोर्टेंट डिवीजन जहां अंडर आसला ड्रिंकिंग वाटर सप्लाई डिवीजन एंड रूरल सैनिटेशन डिवीजन. रूरल सैनिटेशन माने स्वच्छता जो परिमल स्वच्छता सो वाटर साइकिल स्वच्छता भी दरकार. सो एई सब डिपार्टमेंट अनुसार काम भी डिवाइड होला और विभिन्न फंक्शनल स्ट्रेटजीज भी डिवाइड होला. Each of the above divisions is headed by a joint secretary level officer assisted by other supporting staff, administrative as well as technical staff. Technical staff रहिले administrative staff रहिले head रहिले joint secretary level रो जने जने officer. Administrative setup at the state level. State level रे केमती administrative setup होची. The state government has direct responsibility for the administration of rural development program. But direct responsibility होची state government रो. almost all the states have a new separate department of rural development headed by a secretary. ସବୁ state rural development department head होचंदी secretary. Above him is the development commissioner for agriculture and rural development. In several states, the chief secretary himself or herself is development commissioner cum secretary. जोड़ी जोड़ी development commissioner separate appointed होचंदी ताले सेटा सेठे post होची otherwise chief secretary होचंदी development commissioner cum secretary. In several states, the chief secretary himself or herself is the development commissioner cum secretary. During the late 1960s, state level coordination and review committees were set up in all the states to bring about coordination among different departments. So initially, there was the office of the development commissioner who was in charge of all the development work under the supervision of the development committee, usually chaired by the chief minister. First day कौन है ना chief minister कर headship रे सब जिनसे सब काम होला. वर्तमान in most of the cases, either the Department of Planning or the Department of Rural Development is responsible for policy, planning and implementation. Chief Minister को ये निया है कि rural development का जे हेड होचंदी planning और department हेड होचंदी तांका ऊपर coordination committee और chairperson सब डील करचंदी. The coordination committee chaired by chief secretary or agricultural production commissioner, principal secretary reviews, sanctions, coordinates all the programs. Then how the administrative setup is at the district level. The district in India has been the basic unit of administration. काहे कि ना जहाँ जैसे की programs projects होंगे ना जिला स्तरीय development होंगे so that it will reach to the grassroots level. कारण जिला पूरे particular जिला रे कौन problem सही villages गुड़े कौन problem district level ही जरा करो. When the CDP was launched, the governing body consisted of the chairman, who was normally the collector of the district, representatives of the state departments of agriculture, animal husbandry, cooperation, or any other department intimately concerned with the program, a representative of the lead bank, chairman of the central cooperative bank concerned, a representative of the Jilla Parishad concerned, and a few non-officers. A माने सबो member हेले district level रे ये के collector, state departments of agriculture, animal husbandry, cooperation, lead bank, chairman of central cooperative bank, and representative of Jilla Parishad. Each agency was allowed only a nucleus staff comprising of project officer and 3 assistant project officers. जने project officer और 3टा assistant project officers रहेंगे from the departments of agriculture, animal husbandry, and cooperation. Administrative setup at the block and village level. Under CDP, the development block was created as the basic unit of planning and integrated rural development comprising agriculture and allied activities. कोठे ना block level रे start हैला. कौन को एरिया रे काम होला agricultural and allied activities such as education, health, social welfare, etc. with special emphasis on self-help and public participation. The block administration consisted of the block level officer, namely BDO. आमर जोटा एबे भी अछि और जे BDO सब जिनस तदारक करछनी was assisted by about 8 extension personnel. विभिन्न एरिया रे काम करबा पई 8 एक्सटेंशन पर्सनल ऑफिसर्स रहिले जो माने कि पर्टिकुलरली विभिन्न एरिया को रिप्रेजेंट करले लाइक एग्रीकल्चर, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री, कोऑपरेशन, सोशल वेलफेयर, इरिगेशन एटसेट्रा एंड विलेज लेवल वर्कर्स also they are called as gram sevakas or gram sevikas and some auxiliary staff. This was the administrative setup at block level. You all have to remember these terms, remember these posts and write down it. Creation of the district rural development agency. तापर district level रे administrative setup ପାଇଁ major role play कला DRDA. DRDA कौन The Austrian Ministry of Rural Development has recommended that at the district level, the planning and the implementation agency should be the district rural development agency. A DRDA plan करिबो और विभिन्न प्रोजेक्ट implement करिबो. Headed by a chairperson, जे कि either he could be the collector, the deputy commissioner, or the district magistrate, and run by a functional executive as the project director or project officer. एक कलेक्टर किंबा डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट किंबा डेप्यूटी कमिश्नर हेड रहिबे और जने प्रोजेक्ट ऑफिसर बा प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर रहिबे जो कि सब जिनस परिचालन करिबे. The DRDA is the overall in charge of planning, implementation, monitoring and evaluation. और कौन को डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे कौन प्रोग्राम्स प्रोजेक्ट्स रहिबो सेटा प्लान करिवार ताको प्रॉपर्ली एग्जीक्यूट करिवार इम्प्लीमेंट करिवार ठीक रे चालचे ना नहीं मॉनिटर करिवार और फाइनली whether the result is achieved or not सेटा इवैल्यूएट करिवार काम DRDA. The functions of DRDS are कौन फंक्शन रोची DRDA to provide information regarding, please remember all these things whenever you will appear any interview related to rural development sector, then definitely it will be asked about DRDA because DRDA is the major functional agency in district level for rural development. So what are the functions? To provide information regarding the parameters, dimensions and requirements rural credit and banking of the programs to the district and block level agencies and to apprise them to their tasks in this regard. कौन करिवे को काम होबो कौन दरकार को एरिया रो कौन रिक्वायरमेंट से सब जिंस देखिबे को जदी प्रोग्राम गुडा को लिंकेज करिवार अछि रूरल क्रेडिट और बैंकिंग सिस्टम सहित विभिन्न ब्लॉक और डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल रे सेगुडा को कोऑर्डिनेट करके गवर्नमेंट सहित अन्य एजेंसी सहित ताकू कोऑर्डिनेट करके सब जिंस मैनेज करिवार दायित्व दिया दिया. Second, to coordinate and oversee the survey and preparation of the prospective plan and annual plans of the block and finally prepare a district plan. National level plan रो आसुची state level plan को state level रो आसुची district level plan. तो district level ताको डिवाइड करबो जे block level plan रे ताको केमती प्रॉपर्ली एग्जीक्यूट करा जाई परिबो और जो 5 year plan perspective plan annual plan रो प्रॉपर्ली केमती implementation होबो. To ensure the effectiveness of the program by regular evaluation and monitoring. जो रेगुलर टाइम टू टाइम रेगुलर इवैल्यूएशन करिवे मॉनिटरिंग करिवे ये जो प्रोग्राम प्रोजेक्ट्स गुडा का चली छि सेगुडा को प्रॉपर्ली चली छि ना कोठी चेंज करकार आउ कोन रिक्वायरमेंट दरकार to secure inter-sectoral and inter-departmental coordination and cooperation. Department to department भितर जेमति कि हमरो जे कोनोसी प्रोडक्शन हैला ताको मार्केट रे पहुंचेबार दरकार सेति गवर्नमेंट टू नेशनल लेवल टू स्टेट लेवल जेमति इंपोर्टेंट लिंकेज दरकार स्टेट लेवल टू डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल ब्लॉक लेवल और विलेज लेवल को प्रकार सब प्रोजेक्ट्स प्रोग्राम्स रो फ्रूटफुलनेस पहुंचीबो सेही जिंस कोऑर्डिनेट और कोऑपरेशन करिवार दायित्व दिया गेला. To publicize achievements जहाँ जहाँ ये प्रोग्राम प्रोजेक्ट्स द्वारा achievements gain कले से गुड़ा का publish करिवे through different materials like in your newspaper or circulars to disseminate knowledge and build up awareness about the programs. ए जिंस प्रोग्राम गुड़ा को लोगों को भीतर केमती जानिबे लोक माने से अवेयरनेस केमती क्रिएट हो से सब जिंस दायित्व दिया गेला. To send periodic returns to the state government in prescribed months. तापरे कोन करले लोकन को भीतर अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करले प्रोग्राम गुड़ा का ठीक रे चलेले. नेक्स्ट कोन टाइम टू टाइम अचीवमेंट हैला सेटा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को जणैबार दायित्व भी दिया गेला. The governing body of the DRDA includes chairperson the district collector होची तांको छाडी के all MPs and MLAs of the district, head of the central cooperative bank, chairman of the regional rural bank, chairman of the jilla parishad, or his or her representative जदि direct chairman involve होई पाना तंगर जने representative रही an officer of the lead bank district employment agency and one representative of rural women particularly um, the rural women should be a beneficiary. Then change in the administrative setup at the district level after the constitution of 73rd Amendment Act 1992. ଆମର ଯାହା ଯେମିତି ଚାଲିଥିଲା 1992 ପରେ major changes ଆସିଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ 73rd Amendment ଆସିଲା a new paradigms of liberalization, socialization, privatization and sanskritization or westernization came into existence. After that, various changes took place. It is slowly but steadily taking concrete shape through transferring powers and resources to all the three tiers of Panchayat Raj institutions. धीरे धीरे कौन है ना पंचायत राज इंस्टीट्यूशन को अधिका पावर आसला अधिका रिस्पांसिबिलिटी आसला फॉर प्लानिंग एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ particularly poverty alleviation programs दारिद्र्य दूरीकरण प्रोग्राम गुडा जेते थिला सेई सब इम्प्लीमेंट आ प्लानिंग करिवार क्षमता पीआरआई माननको दिया गला. A number of steps have been taken by the Ministry of Rural Development to develop administrative and financial powers to the PRIs. An officer equivalent to the district collector in seniority and status may have to be posted as the chief executive officer. जी डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर किंवा जने सीनियर पोस्ट रे थिबे से रहबे चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर ऑफ द जिला परिषद फॉर हॉरिजॉन्टल कोऑर्डिनेशन. Now, to ensure harmonious integration of the different agencies with common objectives of rural development, DRDS को जिला परिषद सहित combinedly काम करिया को act करिया को as a unit cell of the जिला परिषद DRDS बहुत major role play करूची. Then district planning committee, it is another part of the district plan. The states are required to constitute district planning committees as envisaged under Article 243 of the Indian Constitution to facilitate the process of decentralized planning. क्षमतार विकेंद्रीकरण जो प्लानिंग हबो सेटा जेंति ग्रासरूट लेवल रो समस्त पार्टिसिपेट करिवे सेथि पय डीपीसी आसला. The DPCs are to be set out in each district to prepare composite plans covering both urban and rural areas. एथिरे कोन एम रहला कि कंपोजिट प्लान रहइबो both urban and rural areas रे जो थ्री की effective coordination between the urban civic and development of bodies for the urban segments urban people जो माने डेवलपमेंट सेक्टर कथा बुझिथिले सेमानंक संगरे पंचायत राज इंस्टीट्यूशंस रा लिंकेज रहइबो so that a balanced development will possible. Gram Panchayat. The third tier of the PRIs are the Gram Panchayat. It has been charged with the responsibility to identify and prioritize the development schemes and prepare its action plans accordingly with the approval of the Gram Sabha. एबे तो ग्राम सभा बहुत पावरफुल जहाँ सब एक्शन प्लान जहाँ सब विलेजेस रे दरकार को विलेज रे कोन दरकार सेटा किए फाइंड आउट करबो ग्राम पंचायत. The roles of gram panchayats have increased manifold with the resources meant for the developmental activities. गोटे गारे कोन कोन संबळ अछि ताको यूटिलाइज करी कि डेवलपमेंट केमती होबो से दायित्व ग्राम पंचायत. The relationship between the official functionaries and the elected representatives of the people. Official functionaries माने ए सब नेशनल स्टेट डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल रे जो सब ऑफिसर्स रहे तांको सहित जो माने सब इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स जो माने को सब आमे इलेक्शन रे जितौचे तांको भितरे कोऑर्डिनेशन कोऑपरेशन रहिले ही लोकन को पाखरे सेवाटा ठीक भाबरे पहुंची. We know it all very clearly. The relationship between the official functionaries and the elected representatives assumes special significance in the context of developing countries as both sets of individuals are expected to work towards the same goal. এই जो officers और जो माने elected members representatives से माने गोटिए लक्ष्य जोटा कि डेभलपमेंट लक्ष्य होगा दरकार सेटा प्रति काम करबा दरकार moreover as the agents of social change the bureaucracy and the elected representatives have complementary roles to play both शासन खसड़ारे आमर दुईजन जाकर समभागीदारी और दिजन परिपूरक जड़े जदि प्रॉपर्ली कोऑपरेट करबनी आ जने हिस्ट्री hence it is imperative for successful policy implementation that both work in close cooperation with one another amar जोटा mainly party politics सहित developmental works रो problem होची due to the mismatch between the so this can be eliminated by proper relationship between the official functionaries and the elected representatives of the people. And what is CAPAD? Council for the Advancement of People's Action and Rural Technology. It is to promote voluntary action in rural development. There is a nodal, this is a nodal agency and it was formed in 1980s. It is mainly entrusted with the task of devolution of funds from the program budgets to voluntary organizations implementing programs under SDY. एटार मेन काम कौन फंड्स केमती प्रोग्राम मानक पाखरे पहुंचीबो कापाट फंड्स लिंकेज का क्रिएट करिवो जोटा कि हमर स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम स्वरोजगार योजना स्वर्ण जयंती ग्रामीण रोजगार योजना रूरल हाउसिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग वाटर सैनिटेशन ए सब स्कीम पाई लोक गांव मानक प्रॉपर्ली फंडिंग पहुंचीबो and it acts at the national level as the nodal coordinating agency for speedier dissemination of technologies. Because technological advancement होगा लोगों का पाखरे सुविधा रे जल्दी पहुंच पाए. CAPAD thus acts as the central agency for promoting voluntary action in rural areas. लोको केमते निज इच्छा रे निजे काम करिवे तार डेवलपमेंट करिवार दायित्व CAPAD. CAPAD is presided over by the Union Minister of Rural Development. It is the authority, higher authority, Union Minister of Rural Development. It is under the administrative jurisdiction of the Department of Rural Development. Then we will study about Panchayat Raj. Historical review. History tells us that local self-government as a system has existed in India since long. Its form may vary, but its spirit has always been a part of our socio-cultural ethos. केमिति आगरो आरंभरो हमर अछि इन द medieval times मध्य युगरे भी ग्राम सभा थिला काम करूथिला ग्राम सभा पंचायत विलेज बॉडी एबल टू गवर्न बहुत पुराना कालरो पंच जोटा विलेज मुख्य पांच जन को ऊपर डिपेंड करूथिला सब न्याय दैट वाज देयर during the British Raj it became the instrument of the ruling elite intended to project the interests of the British government. After independence, it was in 1959 that the Panchayat Raj system took its presence. British period এটা অধিক ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট হয়ে গলা তারপরে 1959 টু বর্তমান পর্যন্ত বহুত বড়িয়া কি সব প্লেস রে পঞ্চায়েত রাজ র ইম্পর্টেন্স বড়ি বড়ি যাচ্ছে post independence period. The Indian National Congress perceived panchayats as people's institution. এটা কোন পঞ্চায়েত মানে লোকଙ୍କର institution. Local self-governance was seen as the true voice of democracy. Many of our leaders, mainly Mahatma Gandhi, had pointed out that independence must begin at the lowest level. काहे की पंचायत असला काहे की पंचायत ऊपर इम्पोर्टेंस दिया नेशनल लेवल रे जति की सब प्रोग्राम्स प्रोजेक्ट्स होछ सेटा स्टेट लेवल रे कोनला स्टेट लेवल रे गोटे गोटे स्टेट हम स्टेट रे 30 टा राज्य रे नेशनल लेवल रे जति 30 टी जिल्ला रे केमती हबो सेटा को लेवल रे हबो प्रति जिल्ला रे जदि विलेज कोडा का डेवलप हबो ताहले निहाती ऑटोमेटिकली ग्रास लेवल रे आगो को डेवलपमेंट हेई परबो सो लोएस्ट लेवल रे जदि डेवलपमेंट होची ताहले ही हमें कहबा ये डेवलप होला एज महात्मा गांधी टोल्ड that independence must begin at the lowest level. So panchayats were given importance by Gram Swaraj with a panchayat having full powers. The idea was to have democratic processes operating in the grassroots levels as at the national level. आगुरी जेमती national level रे खाली importance थिला धीरे धीरे grassroots level रे democracy टूटा गणतंत्र रो भूमिका रा लोक जानिबे by electing people for their village and getting benefits out of the program. All this depend upon panchayat. Birth of the Panchayat Raj system in independent India, particularly 1959 में आरंभ हुआ with two basic objectives. First, democratic decentralization was the main objective. Democratic decentralization माने गणतांत्रिक क्षमतार विकेंद्रीकरण जनक हाथ में पावरटा न रहो सबुबले जेमती स्प्रेड हेकी power authority decision making सब जिनसे डिपेंड करियो. Next, local participation in plan programs. Grassroots level रे village level रे लोक जेमती participate करिवे विभिन्न plan programs रे. It was the second objective. Various committees to evaluate and insist changes in PRIs from time to time. विभिन्न committees आसिला to evaluate and insist required changes from time to time in Panchayat Raj institutions. Ashok Mehta Committee. In 1977, a committee was appointed under the chairmanship of Ashok Mehta to review the working of the Panchayat Raj institution. Ashok Mehta का chairmanship रे आरंभ होला 1977 रे review करिया ପାଇଁ. The committee listed several factors responsible for the decline of the Panchayat Raj. Panchayat Raj एते importance न पाइबार कारण गुडाक 1977 रे find out करा होला. Disassociation of the programs of development from the Panchayat Raj. पंचायत राज को अधिकार रोल दिया हिना थिला सेति में प्रॉपर्ली लोकन पाखरे पहुंची पानथिला. Inability of the bureaucracy to involve panchayats in the implementation of development programs से एक टाइम रे 1977 टाइम रे पंचायत को एतिकी इंपोर्टेंस दिया मतलब जोटारे कि हमर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एस्पेक्ट्स डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम्स लोकन पाखरे पहुंचेबार क्षमता दिया हिना. Internal deficiencies within the panchayat institutions. जो लोग गाँव particularly rich people माने headship रे रहउतले तो सेतु ପାଇଁ poor मानकर problem ताको जानि पाउनथले तो सेटा भी problem थिला. Lack of clarity about the consultation. लोग इते clear ही नथिले जे पंचायत रा भूमिका था. Then GVK Rao Committee. This committee was set up in 1985. It was asked to look into the administrative arrangements for rural development and the role of panchayat bodies and their relationship with the administrative setup. लोगों को सहित पंचायत बॉडीज रो रिलेशनशिप करा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सेटअप से ता रिलेशनशिप करा इंपोर्टेंस. What were the recommendations? First, जिला परिषद should be standard. एया रिकमेंड करा हला जीवीके राव कमिटी रे जे जिला परिषद गुडा को अधिका पावर देबा दरकार. There should be sub committees at the district level with proportional. District level रे sub committees रहबा दरकार with proportional representation. Some planning functions may be transferred to the district level and elections of local bodies should be held regularly. खाली नेशनल लेवल स्टेट लेवल रे पावर ता न रहनो प्लानिंग फंक्शन रो पावर ता डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल को भी दिया जावा दरकार. टाइम टू टाइम इलेक्शन द्वारा पंचायत सिस्टम रे ये सरपंच हबो ताको इलेक्शन द्वारा लोकन को मतरे जन मतरे सेटा हो जेमति कि लोक जो गांव मुखिया जे हेड से एक पदटा को न पाओ ए विषय रे रिकमेंडेशन किया. Sarkaria Commission. The Sarkaria Commission 1988 रे हितला which was primarily concerned with the center-state relationship and also recommended the strengthening of local bodies financial and functional. The Panchayat Raj system होची center-state relationship रो माध्यम जोठी स्टेट केमिति अपडेटेड हबो डिस्ट्रिक्ट रो कोन सब दरकार सेटा पंचायत राज लेवल रे सेटा मेन रोल प्ले करबा दरकार और लोकल बॉडीज को फाइनेंशियली और फंक्शनली अधिक स्ट्रेंथ अधिक स्ट्रांग करबा दरकार ए कमिटी रो रिकमेंडेशन The commission also believed that elections for panchayats must be held regularly. Then LN Singhvi committee एगुडा सब हमरो जेति कि माने वर्तमान स्थिति आसीबा पर्यंत विभिन्न टाइम रे केते टाइम टू टाइम चेंज हेछि इन पंचायत राज इंस्टीट्यूशंस to be strengthened. This was set up in 1986. It gave importance to the Gram Sabha. एथिरे ग्राम सभा रे इंपोर्टेंस आसीला वंस अगेन जोटा कि मध्य युग रे दिया जाउतला कोनी आउथरे ग्राम सभा वाज क्यूड एज द सीड बेड ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी ग्राम सभा ही डेमोक्रेसी रो मूल स्तर एटा रिकमेंड कराला अदर मेजर रिकमेंडेशंस आर local self government should be constitutionally recognized संविधान अनुसार एटा रिकॉग्निशन पाइबा दरकार जे ग्राम सभा सहित पंचायत राज इंस्टीट्यूशन रो भूमिका बहुत इंपोर्टेंट इलेक्शंस एट द पंचायत लेवल शुड बी हेल्ड रेगुलरली एंड विदाउट डिले प्रॉपर्ली टाइम जेमति 5 वर्ष रे थारे और सेही अनुसार इलेक्शंस निहाती दरकार पंचायत राज judicial tribunal should be set up in every state to deal with matters जुडिशियल ट्रिब्यूनल जोटा कि न्याय प्रदान करा सेटा सब स्टेट रे रहिबा दरकार देयर शुड बी एडेक्वेट फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज टू एंश्योर इफेक्टिव फंक्शनिंग ऑफ पंचायत देन पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स इज वेरी इंपोर्टेंट इट इज अटैच्ड टू पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज शुड बी डिस्करेज केवल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज रे जो माने अछन से माने ही पार्टिसिपेट करबे सेटा न जनरल कॉमन पीपल शुड बी participants in the system of Panchayat Raj. Then the Nyaya Panchayat should be given the functions of mediation and setting of issues. Nyaya Panchayat रो भी भूमिका रहउछि विभिन्न प्रॉब्लम आउ ताकू डील करिया The Constitution 73rd Amendment Act 1992 1992 रो 73rd Amendment ପରେ को प्रकार चलिला पंचायत राज इंस्टीट्यूशन स्पेशल फीचर्स ऑफ द अमेंडमेंट हियर देयर केम अगेन द इंपोर्टेंस ऑफ ग्राम सभा देन इट केम थ्री टायर मॉडल एंड आल्सो द मैटर ऑफ रिजर्वेशन सीट्स ग्राम सभा द एक्ट हैज रिस्टोर्ड द इंपोर्टेंट रोल ऑफ द ग्राम सभा इट इज क्लियर दैट द प्राइमरी सोर्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेटिक पावर इज इन द विलेज गांव लेवल रे ही हमरो democratic power no main seat is there the gram sabha is expected to be an active institution for starting all development activities based on local needs local से गाँव रो कौन दरकार गोटे ग्राम पंचायत अंदर तीनटा की चारटा की गोटे की पांचटा गाँव रही से लोक मानकर एक्चुअली कौन दरकार लोकल नीड्स ताको फुलफिल केमिति करिवे कोठो लिंकेज आसीनो सेही सब दायित्व ग्राम सभा देन थ्री टायर मॉडल we all of us know about the three tier system of panchayat at village जोटा ग्राम पंचायत इंटरमीडिएट लेवल और डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल इंटरमीडिएट लेवल रे और डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल रे हमरो ग्राम पंचायत पंचायत समिति एंड जिला परिषद एटा सब काम करूची only these states with a population less than 20 lakhs would not need to establish a panchayat at the intermediate level then reservation of seats तापरे आसीला जोटा सबबेले धनी लोकंक द्वारा कैप्चर होतला वर्तमान आसीला ए रिजर्वेशन ऑफ सीट्स there should be reservation of seats for SC STs and also in every village there should be 1/3 of reservation of seats for them and also 1/3 of reservation of seats for the women. And composition of panchayats. Direct election to the panchayat is one of the distinguishing feature of this amendment. एठी लोगों को दिया है पावर टू elect the people directly to the panchayat. Persons chosen by direct election from territorial constitutions constituencies shall fill all the seats in a panchayat. They जो मैंने डायरेक्ट इलेक्शन रे इलेक्टेड हेले से माने ही पंचायत रो सीट्स पाइबे. Then development activities. The Act gives powers and responsibilities to the panchayats to plan and execute economic development programs like economic development with various poverty alleviation program, ଆମର ଦାରିଦ୍ର୍ୟଦୂରୀକରଣ programs ଯେତିକି ରହିଛି ତାର କେମିତି development ହେବ, land improvement, livelihood development ଆମର animal husbandry, horticulture, sericulture, then other poultry farming, all sectors come. Then education, health, welfare including women and child development and infrastructure development. Infrastructure development means banks, post office, schools, all the development like communication facilities, all these are included under this. The provisions of the Panchayat extension to the scheduled areas Act 1996. जो गुड़ाक scheduled area, जो गुड़ाक normal area अंदर रे आसुनी ता अनुसारे कौन पंचायत एक्ट बनवा दरकार. The salient features of the act are every village shall have an elected Gram Sabha and it shall be competent to safeguard and preserve the traditions and customs of the village. Gram Sabha गोटे रहिबो सब गाँव ଆଉ ଲୋକଙ୍କର traditions customs को respect ଦେଇକି କାମ କରିବ. Gram Sabha shall approve the plans, programs and projects for social and economic development before the implementation. Implement ହେବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ social and economic development related programs plans ର ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ approve ହେବା ଦରକାର Gram Sabha. It would be responsible for the identification or selection of persons as beneficiaries under the poverty alleviation and other programs. Every Gram Panchayat shall obtain for the related Gram Sabha a certificate of utilization of funds for the plan, programs and projects. जहाँ सब plans, programs और projects हों, तारो केते दूर यूटिलाइज हैला तार रिलेटेड सर्टिफिकेट देबाको सेमाने बाध्य. अदरवाइज कान होतला ना जहाँ फंड्स आसुतला सेगुडा को बाटा मारना हो जाता धनी लोगों पाखरे फंड्स वर अधिका होतला सेईटा को एलिमिनेट करिया में केते दूर यूटिलाइज करे से सर्टिफिकेट देबाको बाध्य. Then planning and management of minor water bodies in the scheduled areas shall be entrusted to panchayat. जो रिसोर्स वाटर रिसोर्सेस अच्छी ताको केमती प्रॉपर्ली यूटिलाइज करि परिबे लोगों को पाखरे एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड केमती पहुंचबो सेटा भी देखिवाला दायित्व ग्राम इन पंचायत राज सिस्टम. Recommendation of the Gram Sabha or the Panchayat shall be mandatory for granting license for mining minerals. किसी न mining minerals खनिज पदार्थर ताले ताको के लाइसेंस दबो ग्राम सभा और the Panchayat. Concession for the exploitation of minor minerals by auction in the scheduled areas. जो एरिया रे खनिज द्रव्य उत्पादन होचे तार सबु दायित्व देखा करिवे ग्राम सभा और पंचायत. The state legislature shall endow panchayats and the gram sabha specially with some powers and authority. ये जो powers authorities किए दबो state legislature दबो state government को ऐसा approve है कि self governance में आसे. Then cooperatives in rural development. What is meaning and definition of cooperation? Cooperation माने कौन? मिलित. The word cooperation has many meanings, but in common discourse it means working, living, and thinking. मिलित. Working काम करिबा एकाठी, बंचिबा एकाठी, और आमे चिंता करिबा डेवलपमेंट भी एकाठी. Cooperatives are based on the values of self-help. निजे निज को साहाय्य करिकी कोऑपरेशन रे हमें आगो बढ़िया. देन सेल्फ रिस्पांसिबिलिटी निजे निजर दायित्व वहन करिया. डेमोक्रेसी जोठी हमर गणतांत्रिक गणतंत्र को हमें यूटिलाइज करना गणतांत्रिक अधिकार को यूटिलाइज करना इक्वालिटी समानता इक्वालिटी एंड इक्विटी समस्ते समान अधिकार पाइबे सेटार तो देखा रेखा करवा एंड सॉलिडारिटी इन द ट्रेडिशंस ऑफ देयर फाउंडर्स प्लस आमे जो वे हमर ट्रेडिशनल वर्क रे इन्वॉल्व सेही भलिया ही सेही ट्रेडिशनल वर्क को यूटिलाइज करी केमती सेल्फ सफिशिएंट cooperative members believe in the ethical values of honesty in the main principles ethical values कौन honesty जे पांच जन मनकर कोऑपरेटिवली रखिचे कि सेविंग करिचे जने चोरी करी पड़े दैट इज नॉट honesty openness social responsibility and caring for others are the main ethical values of this cooperative. What are the principles of cooperative? Mainly, the principles are voluntary and open membership. It means that the membership shall be voluntary and available without any restrictions. जिए भी चाहिए members नहीं करेंगे despite of caste class religion और जिए भी चाहिए से तरह जोटा फायदा सेटा नहीं करेंगे. Thus, voluntary and open membership. Democratic member control. Cooperatives are democratic organization. गणतांत्रिक अधिकार सुरक्षा दिया हम जेमति कि the primary members of cooperative societies enjoy equal rights of voting and participation. ये लीडर हम सेटा समस्त डिसाइड करिवे से माने समस्त भोट देवा पड़े और सबु थिरे कोनसी अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम हो किबा जहाँ डेवलपमेंटल एस्पेक्ट्स हो सेठी पार्टिसिपेट कर members economic participation economic results arising out of the operations of the society belong to the members and shall be distributed among them proportionately एमिति नै जे जिए तार फायदा पाउथो जणे ही पाउथो एटा इक्वली समस्त को पाई मने कर इन्वेस्ट करले समस्त एका भलिया इन्वेस्ट करले और ताको यूटिलाइज करले समस्त एका भलिया स्कोप पाई then autonomy and independence निजर स्वयं शासन जे निजर डिसीजन नेबार क्षमता रही और सेमाने इंडिपेंडेंट बॉडीज it ensures that democratic control by their members and maintains their cooperative autonomy. Then education, training and information. हमको time to time educated करना दरकार जहाँ advanced technologies आसुची programs आसुची सेही विषय हमको information देवार दरकार और aware करना दरकार. Then cooperation among cooperatives निहाती दरकार. गोटे कोऑपरेटिव रो आ गोटे कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज भितर स्टेट डिस्ट्रिक्ट टू डिस्ट्रिक्ट लोकल लेवल नेशनल लेवल और इंटरनेशनल लेवल जब कोऑपरेशन रहिले ही डेवलपमेंट विल बी इजियर concern for community and the primary not although it's the primary objective is to be self-sufficient with their with the use of their own resources and capabilities, but it should be concerned for community, for the development of the community with sustainable development. With sustainable development माने कौन? ସେମାନେ ନିଜେ ନିଜକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିକି ଏମିତି କିଛି କରିବେ ଯୋଉଟାରେ କି ଏନवायरनमेंट ଉପରେ ବି ବ୍ୟାଡ୍ ଇଫେକ୍ଟ କରିବନି ପ୍ଲସ୍ ସେମାନେ ବି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦରକାର ସେତେବେଳେ ତାର ଫାଇଦା ପାଇବେ. Then evolution of cooperatives in India. India रे केबे तो cooperative आसिला. Pre-independence time जे कौन थिला? In India, the cooperatives movement began its work with the objective of making breakthrough in the stagnation of the poorer classes who were heavily indebted and were fully in the grip of साहूकार. साहूकार माने सबुबले कब्जा करके रखिथिले. 10 टका ଦେଇଥିଲେ ତାକୁ 50 ଟଙ୍କା କରୁଥିଲେ. ସେଇ ଭଳିଆ जो माने ऋणर बोझ बढी बढी जाउଥିଲା. ଆଉ the sahukas were exploiting up to such an extreme level that the people were becoming very harassed. So with the enactment of the 1904 Act, the first Cooperative Credit Society was registered on 8th May 1905 in the then state of Bombay. Bombay first cooperative society आरंभ ହେଲା 1905 ରେ 1905 ରେ जोटा कि एई सब लोकंको एई सब प्रॉब्लम जो मुक्ति देवा ପାଇଁ तार मेन उद्देश्य था post independence scenario. After independence, the country adopted the policy of planned economic development for establishing an integrated and just society, providing individual liberty, equality of opportunity, and basic economic minimum for all. 1947 ପରେ ଏଇଟାକୁ ବହୁତ ଅଧିକା ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାନ୍ସ ଦିଆହେଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଲୋକମାନେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ ଲିବର୍ଟି ନିଜେ ନିଜର ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ଭାବରେ ଅନ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁଲେ to get the equal opportunities ଆଉ ଲୋକ ବଞ୍ଚିବାର ମିନିମମ୍ ଯେତିକି ଦରକାର ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ ଲେଭଲ କେମିତି ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ କରିବେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟିତ ହେଲେ cooperation was accepted as an effective and important instrument for achieving the objectives of rural economic development. 5 year plan manakari kemti eta emphasize kala. The first 5-year plans emphasized that all agricultural families, households may join as members of these cooperatives. The broad objective of the second 5-year plan was to improve socialistic pattern of the society. Society ଯେମିତି ସମାନତା ରକ୍ଷା ହେବ ତା ଉପରେ ଅଧିକା importance ଦିଆଗଲା. Third 5-year plan ରେ it concentrated on workers, consumer cooperatives and employment generation. ଯେମିତି କାମ କରିବା ଲୋକମାନେ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଅଧିକା ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଲୋନ୍ ଉପରେ ସେମାନେ ଏଥିରେ ଇନଭଲ୍ଭ ହେବେ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଯାହା ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ୍ ହେବ ତାକୁ ଯେମିତି ମାର୍କେଟରେ ପହଞ୍ଚି ପାରିବ ଆଉ କିଛି ସ୍ୱରୋଜଗାରର ପନ୍ଥା ଆସିବ ତା ଉପରେ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାନ୍ସ ଦିଆହେଲା ଫିଫ୍ଥ 5-year ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ବେଳକୁ it was recognized that the cooperative society to be an important institutional framework for the development of backward sections, particularly through the PDS, public distribution system. जोटा राशन कार्ड रे लोगों को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करा हैला विभिन्न अत्यावश्यक सामग्री से इटा आरंभ होला फिफ्थ 5-year plan. The main emphasis during 6th to 9th plans was on the strengthening of the primary agricultural cooperatives. Agricultural cooperatives को केमती strengthen करा हबो development of professional manpower जो माने ट्रेन्ड अप है कि लोगों को बुझेइबे ट्रेनिंग देबे विभिन्न प्रोग्राम्स पाई अवेयरनेस जनरेट करके एनकरेज करके and a re-examination of the existing cooperative policies and procedures in order to ensure that the programs actually improve the economic condition of the rural poor. केमिति rural poor मानकर economic condition को develop करिया सका रहला नहीं. The multi-state cooperative societies bill passed in 2002 and also a cooperative policy came into existence. Then what is the importance of cooperatives in 10th 5-year plan? The 10th 5-year plan has soldier greater responsibility in relation to cooperatives for purposes of actualizing the vast potential of agriculture. Actually, agriculture is not limited to only farming. जोटा ग्रेन ग्रेन प्रोडक्शन किंवा फार्मिंग ऊपर केवल नुह एग्रीकल्चर माने बहुत फास्ट जोटी कि हमर एनिमल हस्बेंडरी पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग horticulture, sericulture, and all other livestock aspects also are part of the agriculture. Promoting more value additions to safeguard the interests of farmers. फार्मर मानकर डेवलपमेंट करबा पई हमें केमती अधिका इंटरेस्ट देबा ट्रांसफरिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज टू कोऑपरेटिव्स टू ब्रिंग देम एट पार विथ अदर सेक्टर ऑफ इकोनॉमी जे टेक्नोलॉजी रो अप्लाई करके हमें केमती अधिका प्रोडक्शन करि परिबा तार दायित्व कोऑपरेटिव को दिया है आइडेंटिफाइंग न्यू एरियाज फॉर कोऑपरेटिव सच एज इंश्योरेंस, tourism, health, irrigation, electricity, and other cooperative system developed for Denmark. Then improving the social and economic health of the rural people was the ultimate structure of the cooperative credit system. ଆମର cooperative credit structure ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ଆସୁଛି ଯେମିତିକି ଆମର the structure of production credit is a three-tier system comprising the state cooperative bank at the state level, district cooperative bank at the district level, and PACS, जो है primary agriculture cooperative society at the village level. The investment credit system has two tiers. जो कोउथिले तमे इन्वेस्ट करि परिबो सेटा रहउछि टू टायर गोटे होछि स्टेट cooperative agriculture and rural development banks at the state level, state cooperative agriculture and rural development bank state level रहला, primary agricultural cooperatives rural development banks grassroots level रहला village level पर प्राइमरी एग्रीकल्चरल कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी प्रोडक्शन क्रेडिट रे जोटा रहला ये जोटे प्रोडक्ट्स जाई लोक सब डिपॉजिट करि परिबे जो भी मार्केटिंग पई जीवो the first primary agricultural credit cooperative society was registered in 1905 at Dharwad Bombay ro ଗୋଟେ state Dharwad ରେ এটা start ହେଲା by March 2003 the number had increased to 1,06,004 with a total membership of 109 million India. इतने लोग agricultural cooperative societies no member ହେଇସାରିଥିଲେ. Almost 10% of the villages and 71% of the rural households have now been covered by these societies. এটা जोटा PSCs रो अलगा सब aspects कौन होची to provide short and medium credits for distribution of inputs like fertilizers, food seeds, insecticides, consumer goods, storage facilities, and marketing of agricultural products to farmers at the village level. The main problem एते सब सुविधा हैला करी केते दिन सब प्रॉब्लम होइला that high overview of loan, lack of participation, and also the improper transfer of technology. ଯେମିତି ତମେ ଏବେ କହିଲ ଯେ ଯେହେତୁ ବର୍ଷା ପବନ ହଉଛି ନେଟୱାର୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି କଟି ଯାଉଛି so it is like we are using technology but the technology gets error with improper aspects improper some common errors or hazards that we face. So ଯଦି transfer of technology properly ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚୁନି ତାହେଲେ ଯଦି ଏଇ ଲୋକମାନେ properly ଜାଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରୁ କେମିତି କ୍ରେଡିଟ୍ ଆଣିବେ କୋଉ ପ୍ରକାର ସୁବିଧା ଦରକାର କଣ କରିବା ଦରକାର ତାକୁ କେମିତି ୟୁଟିଲାଇଜ କରିବେ ତାହେଲେ ଏଇଟା ଫ୍ରୁଟଫୁଲ ହେଇପାରିବ. And district central cooperative bank, rural credit and banking. District central cooperative bank का role कौन रहेगा? The district central cooperative banks are the nodal banks for production credit at the district level. By 2002-3, there were 368 districts with operated through 1,02,763 branches. These banks provide finances to primary agricultural cooperative societies at the village level, and the borrowings are flowed from NABARD. NABARD तब एमानक असिस्टेंट जोटा कि नेशनल बैंक फॉर रूरल डेवलपमेंट और सेठू आनिकी ए प्राइमरी एग्रीकल्चरल कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज रूरल विलेजर्स मानक पाखरे पहुंचे धीरे एटा तो रोची माने मेजर पार्ट का नाबार्ड नबो आउ जहा रहिबो 10 to 15 पार्ट्स से थ्रू 10.8% दबो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट आउ 3.5% देबे कमर्शियल बैंक्स तो एई मेरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेंट्रल कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स हेल्प करछि कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज State cooperative banks. State cooperative banks are the apex cooperative organization. State level, जोटा पूरा top level में रहुची for production credit, that is short term and middle term loans at the state level. These banks are classified as scheduled banks and perform all the business that a normal bank performs. जहाँ normal bank करूँगी, सही टाइप रहुची state cooperative banks का भी same role. There are 29 state cooperative banks which operate through their 880 branches. State cooperative agricultural and rural development banks. There are 19 state level cooperative agricultural and rural development banks, which are SCARDB short form में पहुंचे, of which 11 are in Assam, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, West Bengal, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu, and these have a federal structure, that is they function at both the state and also in the state. And the other 8, those are in Bihar, Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Pondicherry have a unitary structure, that is they function only at the state level. एमाने विलेज लेवल को डायरेक्ट जाना थी, केवल स्टेट लेवल में काम करते हैं. ऊपर जोटा 11टा rural development banks, ସେମାନେ rural areas ରେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି plus state cooperative banks ହିସାବରେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି. In all there are 1,421 branches of SCARDBs, state cooperative agricultural and rural development banks all over our country. Then growth and development of the non-credit cooperatives. Non-credit cooperatives we develop in the कोको एरिया रे नॉन क्रेडिट कोऑपरेटिव्स रोची जोटा कि लोन मिलुनी बट से माने निजर मार्केटिंग निजर प्रोडक्ट्स मार्केटिंग करि पारे. मार्केटिंग कंज्यूमर्स डेयरी फिशरी फर्टिलाइजर ए गुडा को कोन ना किनी पारिबे और प्लस ने टंका न हेले भी ए गुडा को ए आकार रे ଯେମିତି କି ସେମାନେ ଡେଇରୀ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ଡେଇରୀ କୋଅପରେଟିଭ୍ସ ପାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚି ପାରିବେ. ଫିଶରିଜ୍, ଫର୍ଟିଲାଇଜର୍ସ and then handlooms and handicrafts, labor, irrigation, agro processing माने agricultural products रो processing, transport, weavers माने बुनाड़ी, industry, farming, electricity, poultry. ए सब सेक्टर रे हमर रहछि जो कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज गुडा ताको कहछि नॉन क्रेडिट कोऑपरेटिव. माने फाइनेंशियली टंका दोना हंदी, फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस दोना हंदी, बट ए सब फिशरीज हो, फर्टिलाइजर्स हो, इरिगेशन फैसिलिटीज हो, सेही गुडा का जो होचंदी जोटा कि टाइम टू टाइम हेल्प करबो लोक. कोऑपरेटिव मार्केटिंग. व्हाट इज कोऑपरेटिव मार्केटिंग? The need for cooperative marketing आसिला केतेबेले ना जेतेबेले चासी माने सब विभिन्न प्रॉब्लम फेस करले इन बाइंग एंड सेलिंग ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्ट्स. बहुत कष्ट करके प्रोडक्शन करिथिबे ताको ठीक रेट रे न बिक्री करी कि कम रेट रे बिक्री करथिले जोटा कि लॉस है. सेठी में आसला कोऑपरेटिव जोटा कि समाने लमसम पूरा टोटल नहीं कि से कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी दे देबो, जहां बिक्री हो तार फायदा का समान हमको पाखो को ताको अकाउंट को सुंदर इंडिविजुअल पर्सन को पहुंच. The objectives of promoting the marketing cooperatives were to strengthen the bargaining capacity of the member cultivators so as to secure them a better price for their produce. जोटा बार्गेनिंग करी कम लोएस्ट प्राइस रो जे दबो ताको काट निया होतला जो एक्सपेक्टेशन फेस करथिले सेटा जेमि न होबो. प्रॉपर बार्गेनिंग कैपेसिटी रहिबो to help in improving the socio-economic conditions of producers members. तांकर socio-economic conditions development होबो, marketing conditions stabilize होबो to regulate the supply of commodities ठीक टाइम रे ठीक जगह रे प्रोडक्शन सब पहुंच परिबो, जोंद्रा कि किछि नष्ट होबनी. तो एलिमिनेट द मिडलमैन मध्यस्थी ଆଉ ସାହୁକାର ଯେଉଁମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲୋଇଟେସନଟା କମିଯିବାକୁ to restrict the intermediaries ମଝିରେ ଯୋଉ ମଧ୍ୟସ୍ଥି ତାର ବେନିଫିଟ ରଖୁଥିଲା ତାର ସେୟାର ନଉଥିଲା ରିଜନେବଲ ପ୍ରାଇସ ରେ ବିକ୍ରି ହେଇ ପାରୁନଥିଲା ଏଇ ସବୁ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଏଲିମିନେଟ କରିବାକୁ to systemize fair trading practices properly କିଣାବିକା ଯେମିତି ହେଇପାରିବ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏଫର୍ଟ ନେବାକୁ to educate and persuade the farmers to grow better quality products କେତେବେଳେ କ୍ୱାଲିଟିରେ କମ୍ପ୍ରମାଇଜ ଆସିବ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ କ୍ୱାଲିଟିର ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ ହଉଥିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ତାକୁ କମ ଟଙ୍କାରେ ବିକ୍ରି ହଉଥିବ କମ ଲାଭ ପାଇଲେ କମ ଲାଭ ପାଇଲେ କଣ ହବ ନା ସେଇ ଅନୁସାରେ ସେ ଡିକ୍ଲେୟାର ହବ ମୁଁ ଏତେ କଷ୍ଟ କରିବି କିନ୍ତୁ କମ ଟଙ୍କା ଫାଇଦା ହଉଛି କାହିଁକି ଏତେ କଷ୍ଟ ତ ସେଇ କ୍ୱାଲିଟିଟା ମେଣ୍ଟେନ କରିବାକୁ ସେ ଚାହିଁବନି so better quality products finally Yataka to arrange and provide the facilities of transportation, grading and storage of agricultural products. ଯେମିତି ମନେକର କ୍ଷୀର ତ ସେଟା ଯଦି ଠିକ ଟାଇମରେ ମାର୍କେଟରେ ନ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲା ତାହେଲେ ନିହାତି ନଷ୍ଟ ହେବ so transportation facilities grading and storage facility ତାକୁ properly store କରିପାରିବେ ଯୋଉ vegetables ବି ହେଲା ତାକୁ ଶୀତଳ ଭଣ୍ଡାରରେ କେମିତି ରଖିପାରିବେ ଆଉ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚରାଲ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ ମାର୍କେଟରେ ଯେମିତି ଠିକ ଭାବରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିବ ଏଟା ବି ଏମିତି ନା to protect the economic interests of members by educating them about the latest techniques of farming ଅଧିକ latest techniques technology use କରି କେମିତି production କରିବେ ସେଟା ବି ଏମିତି ନା to inculcate the habits of self-help and thrift among the members of the cooperative marketing society ଲୋକ ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିକି କେମିତି ଡେଭଲପ ହେଇପାରିବେ ଏହା ବି ଏହାର ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟ this processing cooperative processing cooperative କଣ processing ମାନେ ହଉଛି ଯୋଉଟା ଆମର କ୍ଷୀର ହେଲା ତ କ୍ଷୀରଟା ଲାର୍ଜ ସ୍କେଲରେ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ ହେଲା ସେଟା ଯଦି ପ୍ରପରଲି ସବୁ କ୍ଷୀର ବିକ୍ରି ନ ହେଇପାରିଲା ତାକୁ ପ୍ରୋସେସିଂ କରିକି ଦହି ଛେନା କିମ୍ବା ଅନ୍ୟ କିଛି ଦୁଗ୍ଧଜାତ ଦ୍ରବ୍ୟ କରିବା ସେଟା ହଉଛି ପ୍ରୋସେସିଂ The marketing cooperatives did not seem to help much as many of the earlier problems continued and it was felt that without making any value additions to the agricultural products, the cooperatives would not be able to help much ensuring better prices and products. ଯଦି ତାକୁ value addition କରୁଛେ ଏବେ କ୍ଷୀରଟା ଯୋଉ ୱେରେ ବିକ୍ରି ହଉଛି ତାକୁ ଦହି ଛେନା ବହୁତ ଅଧିକା ରେଟ୍ରେ ବିକ୍ରି ତ ତାହେଲେ କଣ ହେଲା ସେଥିରେ value addition ହେଇଗଲା ଯୋଉଟାକି ଇକୋନୋମିକୁ add କଲା in order to reduce the number of middlemen and to obtain a greater return on the agricultural produce processing of crops by the marketing cooperative was felt to be necessary ସେଥିପାଇଁ କଣ ହେଲା ନା agricultural products ର processing କରିକି କେମିତି for example paddy processing ଧାନଟାକୁ processing କରିକି ଆମର ଚାଉଳ କରିବାର ଆଉ ଯୋଉ କଣ cotton କପାରୁ ସୂତା rice mills different processing of pulses and gradually operation of various fruits and vegetables, cashew, rubber, etc. will be part of processing. Cooperative sugar mills. Then came cooperative sugar mills. Under the Act 1951, it was granted 38 cooperative sugar factories. By and large, sugar cooperatives have a two-tier structure. Two tiers, ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି sugar mills at grassroots level, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି state. ଗାଁରେ village level ରେ ଗୋଟେ ରହିଲା, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରହିଲା state level ରେ. These factories have not only assured a fair return to the primary producers but also providing extension services. ଆଖୁ ଚାଷ ଯେଉଁମାନେ କରୁଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ଖାଲି ଚାଷ ହେଇକି ଚିନି ହେଇକି ସେଟା ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିବ ଚିନି ଥିବା ବୋଧ ସେଟା ହିଁ ନୁହେଁ ବରଂ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦରକାର ସେମାନେ ଲୋନ୍ ବି ପାଇପାରିଲେ ସୁବିଧାରେ ଏଇ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନକୁ କୋଅପରେଟିଭ ସୋସାଇଟି ପାଖରେ ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ବି କରିପାରିଲେ ଡେରି କୋଅପରେଟିଭ it was ଆମର ଯୋଉଟାକି particularly 53% of laborers are engaged in animal husbandry and 51% people are dependent upon milk production सो डेयरी कोऑपरेटिव्स जो कि क्षीर केवल प्रोडक्शन और मार्केटिंग असिस्टेंस दिया हम विथ मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव स्टार्ट है कौन कौन ऑब्जेक्टिव थिला to increase the number of milk animals from the present average holding of 1 to 2 animals to collect and sell milk to milk unions for duty milk को properly milk union गुड़ा को sell करी परिबे to ensure regular and remunerative payment to producers जो माने सब एते कष्ट करी क्षीर उत्पादन करिसंदी तांको प्रॉपर इकोनॉमिक गेन जेमति पाइबे to provide veterinary first aid and artificial insemination जो माने सब पशु मानर किछि प्रोग्राम हैला तो तांको जेमति प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट ही परिबा तमरो टाइम टू टाइम जेमति प्रोडक्शन अधिका हेबा पई तांको इंजेक्शंस दिया हबो भलो खाद्य दिया हबो तो सेही ऊपर भी इंपोर्टेंस दिया हला टाइमली फ्लो ऑफ मिल्क जेमति गोटे टाइम रे मने कर वर्षा हो तो सेटा प्रॉपर्ली मार्केट रे पहुंची पाला तो केमिति ताको मार्केट रे पहुंचेगा ता ऊपर भी इंपोर्टेंस दिया हला and to make value additions to dairy products and the related activities जेमति के हमरो जोटा 30 टंका रे बिक्री होची क्षीरटा सेटा जेमति छेना कले 120 टंका रे बिक्री होची एई टाइप का वैल्यू एडिशन करे एग्रीकल्चरल आउ को डेयरी मिल्क ऊपर जो माने डिपेंडेंट अछंती लोक तांको सपोर्टिव हबो सेति ପାଇଁ डेयरी कोऑपरेटिव्स देन फर्टिलाइजर कोऑपरेटिव्स माने उन्नत धरणर कीटनाशक औषध सेटा लोकंको पाखरे पहुंचबे या लोक से फार्मर्स माने ताको जेमति प्रॉपर रेट रे पाई परबे with the growing population and the increasing demand for food grains, pressure continued on farmers to grow more. So, to increase productivity, farmers were required to ensure adequate and quality inputs at reasonable prices. To solve these problems, a cooperative fertilizer plant was set up. On cooperative fertilizer plant 1967 to produce chemical fertilizers and ensure that there is the dual steps of farmers. सब लोगों का पाखरे जेमति पहुंचो ता ऊपर भी ध्यान दिया to educate the farmers how to use the fertilizers effectively and to transfer the required technology for modern farming to Indian farmers. जेमति टेक्नोलॉजी का मॉडर्न farm like Indian farmers man हम पाखरे पहुंचो एई कोऑपरेटिव का एम से आती then industrial cooperatives. Industrial cooperatives are also born after 1950s with the acceptance of the recommendation of the first working group on industrial cooperatives in 1958. The industrial cooperative came into existence. So, after that, working group on industrial cooperatives in 1952, it worked on, made a rapid progress. It worked in 3 trials as weavers cooperatives, जो माने बुनारी, non-weavers cooperatives, जो माने बुनिया व्यतीत अन्य material supply करछन, and the handicrafts cooperatives, जो माने कि विभिन्न हस्ततंत्र उपरे डिपेंड करछ. Then we will go for the rural credit and banking. आमे ओउठो rural credit और banking पाउछ. The role of credit in rural development. जो ऋणटा पाउछ गाँ लोकन को विलेजर्स ପାଇଁ ଏଟା ବହୁତ important. Credit plays an important role not only in modernization of agriculture but also in the fight against रूरल पॉवर्टी कारण दारिद्र्यता को दूर करने मेनली लोग डिपेंडेंट क्रेडिट so there came the feature of credit markets. First, they are characterized by imperfect and incomplete information. All the parties do not have the same level of information. In कौन होची ना एठे कौन रूरल क्रेडिट और बैंकिंग जेतले कहूचे जे काहे आसला एटा कारण बहुत टॉर्चर होतले विलेजर्स credit providers typically do not have all the required information about their clients, their habits, and their credit limits. किए पाइबो केते पाइबो लोन कौन पाइबो आउ ताकू केमती प्रॉपर यूटिलाइज करियो एटा लोकन पाखरे प्रॉपर नॉलेज नथिला सेकेंडली credit markets are often segmented. Small farmers for small quantum of loans tend to go to the same money lenders, bigger farmers to another set of money lenders, and so on. जो मनक पाखे कम जमी सेमानक पाई अलगा सिस्टम जो मनक पाखे अधिका जमी सेमानक पाखरे सेमानक पाई अलगा सिस्टम एई सब जिंस जो अप्लाई होता बहुत प्रोब्लेम. Thirdly, there is creditation. Creditation माने कौन? Even at the going interest rates, all those who desire to borrow do not get loan. समस्ते इच्छा कले भी समस्ते लोन पाई करनथले जे अपवर्ड प्रेशर जे रहउला जेंति कि जो लोकंकर माने रिलेशनशिप भलो थिला सरपंच मानक सहित से माने अधिका भलो कम इंटरेस्ट दिया पाउथले ए टाइप रो प्रॉब्लम दूर करने आसला प्रॉपर बैंकिंग सिस्टम इन रूरल एरियाज आर नेसेसरी. रिस्क इन रूरल इकोनॉमिक्स आमर रूरल इकोनॉमिक्स रे प्रॉब्लम दा कोन particularly people suffer from poverty. So there is larger incidences of this. First, the rural poor are more vulnerable to diseases and illness. Mainly ସେମାନେ diseases of ill health जो suffer होचन. Infectious and communicable diseases are more prevalent in poor society. Secondly, the rural people, particularly the poor, face risks in carrying out their work or profession. For many rural people, unlike those working in the urban organized sector, there is no fixed and assured wage. को काम कले केते टंका पाइबे आउ केमिति माने फिक्स हबो सेटा केबे हेले जानु नाहंती जे रूरल पीपल माने एक्चुअली केते टंका से माने पाइया दरकार आउ बार्गेनिंग कैपेसिटी. Rural people may be self-employed, farmers or landless laborers, but they are always vulnerable to these economic risks. So at first, the non-organizational credit in rural areas was there. Non-organizational, non-institutional or informal credit as part of the rural finance system. It provides the bulk of credit for the poorer section of this rural society. गरीब लोक माने सबले या ऊपर डिपेंड. And informal credit sources. Informal credit has historically played an important role in meeting the financial needs of the rural people in India. The informal financial market is legal but consists of unregulated financial markets. जे धान गोटे जमी चाष कर फिक्स कर धानटा ये लोक को जीव तो सी माने वर्ष वर्ष करके सेम प्रैक्टिस सी कम दो अधिका दो से लोक पाखे वर्ष सारा क्रेडिट फैसिलिटीज से लोक दो. These are just outside the ambit of regulated financial intermediaries. केही मध्यस्थी नथिले खाली जहा informal borrowing and lending among friends and relatives. So it is not actually a part of rural credit. It is just lending and borrowing the money from different authorities. So what is actually that was the non-institutional credit system. What is credit cooperative? There are two types of credit cooperatives. First, short-term credit cooperatives, medium and long-term credit cooperatives. Short-term credit cooperatives ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗା ରହିଲା, medium or long-term credit cooperatives. The term has to do with the period for which credit is provided to the members of the cooperatives. Cooperatives ର member ମାନଙ୍କୁ credit ଦେବାଟା ହେଉଛି ୟାର main. At the village level, the primary agricultural credit societies are the backbone of the credit structure. जोटा हमें PACS पढ़ने या ऊपर बहुत अन्य लोग डिपेंड करूँचांगे in village level and it can be started by 10 or more members. এটা हमें particularly ଯେମିତି अरेंज करूचे कि गाँव छोट कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी समवाय समिति से The second level of the cooperative credit structure for short and medium term loans is the central cooperative banks जोटा urban areas रे अच्छी किंतु rural linkage These banks perform the important function of linking the primary agricultural credit societies with the state level credit cooperative banks called the state cooperative banks. Then microcredit. Here, self-help groups have a role to play. Go to the SHGs as well. Groups imply that there is peer pressure and possibilities of building collective. Group रे लोक जड़े जनक साहाय्य करके केमती सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट होके स्ट्रेंथन है such credit groups could come of, on their own or could be formed through the interventions of NGOs which can provide the starting capital कौन से NGO सहित लिंक अप होके करि परिबे किंबा ओन effort से ସେମାନେ start କରି परिबे group or self help These groups should ideally have less than 50 members who should emphasize saving among other strategies of self-help. निजे निजे को साहाय्य करबा सहित किछि किछि निज पर सेव करबाटा होची यार एम organized banking and rural credit organized banking जोटे systematic organized banking system अछि और rural credit sector importance कम Here comes commercial banks and rural credit in India It came in 1969. The All India Rural Credit, with a purpose of integrated scheme for rural credit. It suggested that Reserve Bank of India should take steps to strengthen the cooperative movement. लोगों को help करिए में Reserve Bank of India help दरकार. Commercial banks and rural credit. Next, आरंभ होला commercial banks जोटा लेकी major commercial banks were nationalized after 1969. Since nationalization, branch expansion and deposit mobilization both increased. Then RRBs, regional rural banks. By the mid-70s, the government wanted to take stock of the institutional credit in rural development. Okay, credit रो जेमती institutionalized form होगा, सेटा ऊपर importance दिया है ता सब लोग प्रॉपर वे रे केमती पाइबे तार लेखा रेखा करागला according to regional rural bank act 1976 and technically it came into operation in 1975 the regional rural banks aimed at developing the rural economy by providing credit for both agriculture and non-agricultural productive activities. चाष भित्तिक आउ किंबा अलगा किछि जेमति कि स्टिचिंग हो किंबा पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग हो डेयरी फार्मिंग हो काम करके क्रेडिट सप्लाई रो आरंभ करागला particularly to the weaker sections like small and marginal farmers agricultural laborers artisans माने जे माने कुटीर शिल्प क्षुद्र शिल्प पर निर्भर करछन्ती सेमाने हेल्पफुल है असेसमेंट एंड इवैल्यूएशन आमे तापरे देखिबा जे कोन केते दूर एटा सक्सेस अचीव करिछि केते दूर प्रॉब्लम होछि There are various achievements of formal organizations in providing credit. Mentioned the various shortcomings also were there, like microcredit and self-help groups रे केते जिनस problem भी ହେଲା, lack of participation, ଲୋକଙ୍କର proper time ରେ loan ଟାକୁ reimburse କଲେନି, ପୁଣି ଠିକ time ରେ loan ପାଇଲେନି, ଏଇଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ problem ବି ଆସିଲା। ତ ଏଇ ସବୁ problem को solve କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ recommendation committee କିଛି recommendation ଦେଲେ, ଯୋଉଟା କି Gupta committee in December 1997, which included like cooperative banks and RRBs, commercial banks should be free to determine their interest. Interest rate କରି ଯୋଉଟା time to time ସେମାନେ revise କରିଦେଉଛନ୍ତି, ବଢ଼େଇ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି, କମାଇ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି, ସେଇଗୁଡ଼ାକ ନ କରନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ proper କିଛି liberal aspect ରହିବା କଥା twenty four. Then banks should prepare special agricultural credit plan. Special agricultural credit plan bank ମାନେ prepare କରିବା ଦରକାର। 90% of all loan applications should be decided at the branch level to ensure timely loan. Timely loan ପାଇଁ branches ଗୁଡ଼ାକ 90% loan application ହକଦାର ରହିବ। So this was about your block 4. Then we will proceed for block 5. In the block 5, the block 4 was block 3 and 4 was a little bit complicated, and the block 5 is very easy to remember. It is about social change, mobility, and mobilization. ଆମର ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ସମାଜରେ କେମିତି ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଉଛି। The block 5 is on dynamics of change in rural India. ବିଭିନ୍ନ aspectରେ India କେମିତି rural India କେମିତି change ହେଉଛି। ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟରେ ତ ଯୋଉଟା purely traditional ଥିଲା, ଲୋକ traditional occupation ଉପରେ depend କରୁଥିଲେ social and economic development ପାଇଁ। ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ westernization, modernization ଉପରେ ତାର ପ୍ରଭାବରେ ଲୋକ change ହେଲେ। What is social change? ସମାଜର change କେମିତି? ମାନେ କ'ଣ ନା change in own life। ଆମର ସବୁବେଳେ କିଛି ନା କିଛି change ହୋଇଥାଏ, ସେଟା ହେଉଛି transformation or change। What are the characteristics of social change? कौन ସେଥିରେ ଗୁଣଗତ ରହିଛି? Social change is universal। ପୃଥିବୀରେ ସମସ୍ତେ କିଛି ନା କିଛି time to time change ହେଉଛନ୍ତି। ଆମର ଯେମିତି ଆଦିମ ମାନବଠୁ ମଣିଷ ହେଲେ, ସେମିତି ଧୀରେ 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 change ହେଇକି ଆମେ develop ହେଇ ବି ଯାଉ। Universally ସବୁଠି ପୁରା whole world ରେ change is a initial and inherent part of our life. All societies experience change, but each society experience change at different rates. किए अधिका change हो जाଉଛି जल्दी, तो किए कम change होଉଛି according to the cultural heritages. Second characteristics is social changes are both unplanned and planned. ଆମେ କେତେ ଜିନିଷ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ୱେରେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଉଛି, ଯେ ଆମେ ଭଲ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିବା, ଭଲ ମାର୍କସ୍ ରଖିବା, ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ଜବ୍ କରିବା, ସେଲ୍ଫ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେବା, ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଆମେ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ କରିକି ଆଗରୁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଉଛି। ଆଉ କେତେ ଜିନିଷ ଅନପ୍ଲାନ୍ ୱେରେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ଯେମିତିକି according to the family, according to the environment, or like different policies, legislation जोटा हठात आसे ଆଉ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଧରିକି change ହେବାକୁ ବାଧ୍ୟ। ଏବେ ଯେମିତି particularly we had never expected that IGNOU had to follow up this kind of teaching learning system where we are experimenting our accessibility and also our reach to you, the learners. So we are changed according to the requirement. So something it was not planned. So some changes are planned and some changes we adopt unplanned according to the requirements. Then social change and its consequences. ଯେତେବେଳେ social changes ହେଉଛି, तार कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस कौन होची हमरो पर्टिकुलरली जो मूवमेंट्स गुडाक होची टाइम टू टाइम किसी सोशल चेंज करिया ପାଇଁ ଯେମିତି କି ଆମର ନର୍ମଦା ବଞ୍ଚାଅ ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ନର୍ମଦା ଡ୍ୟାମ ର ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଥିଲା ତାକୁ ସେ ସବୁର ଏଲିମିନେସନ ହେଇକି ନର୍ମଦା ନଦୀର ପାଣିଟା ସୁରକ୍ଷିତ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କିଛି ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଲା ତ ସେଇ ଟାଇପ ର ଯେତେବେଳେ ବି କିଛି ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ହଉଛି ଚେଞ୍ଜ କିଛି ହଉଛି ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ଅର ଅନପ୍ଲାନ୍ ତାର କନସିକ୍ୱେନ୍ସେସ୍ ବହୁତ पॉजिटिव भी पड़ती नेगेटिव भी पड़ती तो social changes has its consequences according to the time space and research and what are the sources of social change kahi ki ame social change ho asu first one is invention किसी जिनस आगरू माने आमे उद्भावन करछे उद्भावन कोन लाइक different ideas by different people the एटा जदि अप्लाई करा हो कोन हो तो सेही अनुसार आमे चेंज होचे नेक्स्ट डिस्कवरी जोटा कि आगरू थिला ए जो ऑनलाइन सिस्टम ता नुआ ना बहुत आगरू थिला अलगा इंस्टीट्यूट गुडा फॉलो करूथे आमे बट वर्तमान आमे डिस्कवर करले जे इट विल बी यूजफुल सो डिस्कवर द्वारा भी चेंज होची नुआ किछि जर्म्स डिजीजेस क्रिएट करूची हमर जेमति कोरोना वायरस असला इट वाज नॉट very new time to time बहुत गुड़ाए बैक्टीरिया वायरस आसी के एफेक्ट करे महामारी जोटा एफेक्ट करछि आमे सेटा फेस करना थले वर्तमान सेटा फेस करछि सो डिस्कवर समथिंग एंड वी आर रेडी टू फाइट इट so obviously it has changed our lifestyle our ideas and our view whatever we have changed up to some extent more or less so this is another consequence. Then another source of change. Then diffusion. Diffusion means you see from region to region we transfer something. From Western people we have adapted something, and from us they have adopted something. So some changes are imported and exported from region to region. So that is known as your diffuser. So it is also a source of change. And the wearing of pants or salwar kameezes or the that is the other clothes out of traditional outfit came into existence from the westernization. So we adopted that and we changed that. So this is known as your diffusion. Now what is social structure? Social structure is the structure of people living in an area. As we have already discussed about the rural social structure, which consists of caste, class, family, and various institutions. Likewise, the social structure varies from region to region, from state to state, from countries to countries. Value and ideas. What are the importance of value and ideas? Certain ideas like the equality, liberty, fraternity, जोटा कि हम constitution दौचे. ସେଥିରେ ଆମେ idea of democracy को importance दौचे. जोठी कि आगରୁ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ନଥିଲା ନିଜେ decision making ରେ participation କରିପାରୁନଥିଲେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ they are changed to take and to participate in decision making through utilization of democracy. Then environment. Environment is a major source of change. हमें environment को धरी के time to time change होचे like natural disasters हमें जमती just class को बोलो कहला जे वर्षा होची पवन होची disconnect करने को बाध्य होतो so natural disasters we can these are not in our control so earthquake hela ki cyclone hela storms hela floods hela automatically our environment gets changed so accordingly we change to fit ourselves um, according to the environment and uh, to survive ourselves. So environment is also a source of change. This block is will be quite easier for you to remember. The just normal things are there. Then another aspect of change is social mobility. Social mobility means what? Changes in the social position of individuals within a system of social stratification. गोटे social गोटे सामाजिक स्तर रे केमती चेंज होची काहे लोक गोटे जगह आउ गोटे जगह को मूव करछन मोबिलिटी social mobility and caste. The caste system in India is the stratification system. Obviously caste हमको बहुत डोमिनेट करके रहउची जे गोटे कास्ट अन्य कास्ट रो स्ट्रैटा मेंटेन करूछन हायर कास्ट enjoy certain privileges and the lower castes are not allowed for it. So time to time the what the rivalry comes and people change so and the lower caste people also change themselves for improvement to compete with the higher caste for their survival and also to be accessible and cope up with the changes. Then mobility induced changes from Sanskritization and Westernization. ଆମେ ଆଗରୁ ହିଁ କହିଛେ ଯେ ସାଂସ୍କ୍ରିଟାଇଜେସନ ଯୋଉଟା କି ହିନ୍ଦୁ ଧର୍ମକୁ ଅଧିକା ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାନ୍ସ ଦିଆ ହଉଥିଲା ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ସ ଅଲଗା ରୁରାଲ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ସ ବି ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ସ ଆସିଲେ ସେମାନେ ଯୋଉ ଅଲଗା ରହୁଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଡପ୍ଟ କରାହେଲା ଯୋଉଟା ଜାତି ଧର୍ମ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣର ଭେଦଭାବ ଥିଲା ସାଂସ୍କ୍ରିଟାଇଜେସନ ଟାଇମରେ ୱେଷ୍ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣାଇଜେସନ ଆଫ୍ଟର ବ୍ରିଟିଶ started to diminish. धीरे धीरे कमीबाकू लागला लोक डेभलप हेले पाश्चात्य सभ्यता को अनुकरण कले भी किछि किछि चेंज हेले और now there is almost a diminished impact of Sanskritization. By Westernization, the changes brought about Indian society and culture also changed accordingly. The cultural structure like education, law, science and technology, new forms of politicization, urbanization, industrialization, improvement in transport and communication, everything introduced. Along with the cultural traits like food, clothing, shelter, the lifestyle, pattern of lifestyle, and the feministic approach, the importance of women in the development sector, everything changed after the British. So this is also another major source of change in our India. Then mobilization and change. Mobilization and change. Mobilization माने कौन? To organize people for a particular action. लोगों को गोटे आमे सबको mobilize करो जो class attend करो participate करो open your mouth and speak and let's put your question forward and let's discuss why to empower you. तुमको आम सहित इन्वॉल्व करिया पे तुम जदि न जानिबो आमे जानि तो काहे कि दिस इज मोबिलाइजेशन तुमको एनकरेज करिवारो जे तुमको गोटे सिस्टम रे इन्वॉल्व करिवा एनजीओस आउ अलगा मूवमेंट गुडे थोड़ी जन आंदोलन होची विभिन्न सोसाइटीज विभिन्न ऑर्गेनाइजेशन काम करछंती लोगों को मोबिलाइज करिया टू ब्रिंग सम चेंजेस to bring some positive effect. In the context of rural development in India, the mobilization of rural folk, जोटा कि traditional aspect ऊपर केवल डिपेंड करके रखने, सेटा तो बहुत जल्दी चेंज होची और बड़े बड़े ये mobilization कौन पाई हुए ना देता वाला किसी environment ऊपर प्रॉब्लम आसे किंवा society ऊपर प्रॉब्लम आसे like you can take the example of illiteracy बॉन्डेड लेवल जोटा कि गोती प्रथा गोती श्रमिक प्रथा थिला यौतुक प्रथा लोकों को प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन पहुंचीला कि नारी शिक्षा को सबुठी ए मोबिलाइजेशन और मूवमेंट हैज चेंज्ड अस फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम and the health needs came into existence कौन दरकार लोकंकर सेही अनुसार चेंज हेबा the role of civil society organizations is no longer restricted to influence government policies सेही अनुसार लोकंकर रिक्वायरमेंट अनुसार गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज भी टाइम टू टाइम चेंज होची रिक्वायरमेंट अनुसार रूरल डेवलपमेंट होची रिक्वायरमेंट अनुसार सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स आसिला रिक्वायरमेंट अनुसार टाइम टू टाइम आमे सोर्सेस ऑफ चेंजेस को अडॉप्ट करके चेंज हे चलছে so this mobilization is necessary or not yes obviously there is the need for mobilization because जदि यही मोबिलाइजेशन न ही थांता आमे बहुत अंडर डेवलप हेकि रही थांते यदि पाट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी जेतबेले चलतिला लोको जोथि कि मैन हेडेड सोसाइटी चलतिला सेतबेले वुमेन माने बहुत टॉर्चर होतिले बहुत कम पावर पाउतिले एजुकेशन रिलीजन लॉ पॉलिटिक्स सब दूर रहतिले तो मोबिलाइजेशन with change, with this struggle, came into existence with a new era for women. Women माने वर्तमान सबुठे आगुआ सबुठे participate करी पाउछन and they contribute a lot for the development of the state and nation. The self-help groups. It is also a power of mobilization. जे जोठी के लोक माने निजे निजर किछि अर्थ विनियोग करिकी निजको एम्पावरमेंट कले और तार बेनिफिट पाइले जेतबे दरकार पड़ला so it was also a major part of mobilization it was started in 1975 as Gramin Bank in Bangladesh हमें आगुरु एप्स पढिजे and the self help groups characteristics होची it is small in size identical interest or social heritage common occupation जो लोग इतने रहते they should have intimate knowledge about the members strengths needs problems it should be changeable from time to time it should respond according to the change according to the need of the people the documentation should be very simple according to the people understanding then collective leadership will be there and discussion will be there always. Then group solidarity, collective action, self-help are really part of this SHG. What are the benefits of SHGs? Promotion of thrift and saving. लोको किसी यूटिलाइज करी परिवे निज ପାଇଁ କିଛି सेव करी परिवे लोन जहां लेथिबे ताको समस्त मिसे की रिपेमेंट करी परिवे रिकवर करी परिवे कॉस्ट एफिशिएंसी और जेतिके लोन लेथिबे तारो रीजनेबल इंटरेस्ट रे जेंति यूटिलाइज करके पुनी आउथरे रिएम्बर्समेंट करी परिवे so it is people centered it is particularly women centered and it is also a income generation program so this is about your changes in particularly social change in social change empowerment is a basic important thing why empowerment is necessary एम्पावरमेंट माने कोन सशक्तिकरण सशक्त तमे केतबेले हो जेतबेले तमे निजर फैमिली रे हो सोसाइटी रे हो पॉलिटिकली हो किबा इंस्टीट्यूशन लेवल हो तमरो किछि इंपोर्टेंस रहइबो इन डिसीजन मेकिंग इन हेल्पिंग योरसेल्फ इन taking part in developmental aspects then only you are known as empowered what are the essential ingredients of empowerment कोन रहिबा दरकार कोन दरकार empower हेबा पई particularly you need equality समानता रहिबा दरकार स्वाधीनता रहिबा दरकार independence and equality independence कौन ना independence to express your thoughts, liberty of thought and expression जहाँ तुम भावुच सेटा जेमती express कर पाइबा विभिन्न प्रकार empowerment भितर कौन main aspects रहुची main areas कौन social empowerment means removal of all the existing socially social inequalities, disparities and other persisting problems. जोटा कि समाज रे असमानता रहउची जाति धर्म भेदभाव रहउची सेथि में लोक सबले पक्ष रहउचनी तार जदि हमें सेही प्रॉब्लम को रिड्यूस करबा ताले हमें अवार्ड करे सेथि में विभिन्न आर्ट्स सेटा एससी एसटी और वुमेन वेलफेयर सेक्शन मानकर इम्प्रूवमेंट by time to time different steps are taken, different acts have taken. Then economic empowerment. Economic empowerment is very necessary. तमे केतबळे empowered हो तम पाखरे पैसा थले तमे empowered फील कर. So economic empowerment for your self earning, for your self help in earning and expend and your expenditure in the way you like. That is economic empowerment. And for this you need various strategies like education and also to utilize your education to earn particulars. Then political empowerment. If you have rights to decide who will be your elected representative, ଆମେ ଯେମିତି ଭୋଟ ଦେବାର ଅଧିକାର ସେଟା bottom to top ରହୁଛି ସେଟା ରହୁଛି political empowerment. Cultural empowerment ଆମର beliefs, values, language, art, customs ସବୁ ଜିନିଷରେ cultural empowerment को ଆମେ ପରିପ୍ରକାଶ କରୁଛୁ. So what is empower? Empowerment ର meaning or concept particularly कौन? Where you will be able to appreciate the thoughts of yourself. तमे जोटारे जाति धर्म वर्ण निर्विशेषरे तमे गोटे respected person ବୋଲି ଭାବିବ ସେଇଠି ତମେ ସେଇଠି ଜାଣିବ ଯେ ତମେ empowered. So it is very multi-dimension, like power over, power to, power with and power within. এই ସବୁ ଗୁଡାକ power ତମର empowerment practice ରହୁଛି. କଣ power over ମାନେ conflict and direct confrontation between powerful and powerless interest groups. ତମେ ଯେମିତି ଅଲଗା ଯୋଉମାନେ power ରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ପୋଜିସନ ରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ତମେ confront କରିବାର capacity ଥିବ. Power to capacity building ତମେ ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ development କରିପାରିବ. Supporting individual decision making and leadership. Power with social mobilization. Time to time change can be ହେଇପାରିବ through building mutual understanding and coalition. Then power within increasing self esteem ନିଜେ ନିଜର ସମ୍ମାନ ଦେଲେ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ସମ୍ମାନ ଦେବେ. Awareness of or consciousness raising, confidence building, etc. are the power within. So all these are essentially needed from individual level to a culture or social strata level. Then economic empowerment of the rural poor. केमिति आमे रूरल पुअर लोकंकर इकोनॉमिक एम्पावरमेंट करबा सेटा टाइम टू टाइम डिफरेंट गवर्नमेंट initiatives ହେଇଯାଇଥିପାଇଁ first it came as conferment of ownership rights to tenant cultivators जोटा कि आमे पढिथिले जे क्षुद्र चाषी और भाग चाषीर जो अधिकारटा रहिबा कथा चाष जमी पर सेटा आसिला 2001 रे. Then the National Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Finance and Development Corporation 1989 रे आसिला जोटा कि जाति कथाटा को लेस इंपोर्टेंस की ताको इंपोर्टेंस किया हला केमति समय हेलो
हाँ मैडम पिला
हेलो
सब पढ़ाई गले।
हाँ हाँ अच्छा से एक्चुअली ବର୍ଷା ପାୱାର ଇଣ୍ଟରନେଟ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ହେଲା ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ହଟସ୍ପଟ ଆଣିକି
ठीक अच्छे मैडम आज से पढ़िया आउ दिने पिला आसे पढ़िया।
अच्छा डिस्कशन करले कोथिले प्रोब्लेम अछि कोन डाउट अछि
मैडम भलो से सुबोनी मैडम।
हेलो हेलो
मैडम आपन वॉइस टा अटकुची मैडम।
अच्छा
आपन वॉइस अटकुची
अच्छा
माने
अच्छा
अटकी जाउछ।
हेलो इज इट हेलो सुनला हेलो
आज्ञा हेलो मैडम आपन वॉइस ब्रेक होउछ मैडम।
Is there? Hello. Hello. Is it now audible?
मैडम हेलो
पळेले सरला जाऊ